Places in town. My town has many interesting places to visit. There is a big park where people go to exercise or relax. We also have a shopping mall where you can buy clothes, food, and electronics. In the center of town, there is a famous monument that tourists like to visit. The town is not very big, but it's a nice place to live.
What does your town have?
My town has many interesting places.
Does your town have interesting places to visit?
Yes, it has many places to visit.
Do I live in a boring town?
No, you live in an interesting town.
Do you like the interesting places in your town?
Yes, I like the interesting places.
Are the places in your town boring?
No, they are very interesting.
What kind of places does your town have?
It has many interesting places to visit.
Do I want to visit your town?
Yes, you want to visit my town.
Is there a big park in your town?
Yes, there is a big park here.
What do people do in the park?
People go there to exercise or relax.
Do I go to the park to sleep?
No, you go to relax or exercise.
Why do people go to the park?
They go to relax or do exercise.
Do you like to go to the big park?
Yes, I like to go there often.
Is the park small or big?
It is a big park in the town.
Can I relax in your town's park?
Yes, you can relax in the park.
Do you have a shopping mall?
Yes, we have a shopping mall.
What can I buy in the shopping mall?
You can buy food, clothes, and electronics.
Can I buy electronics in the park?
No, you buy electronics in the mall.
Do you go to the mall to buy clothes?
Yes, I go there for clothes.
Where can I buy food in your town?
You can buy food in the mall.
Is the mall far from your home?
No, it is not very far.
Do I need to visit the mall?
Yes, you need to visit the mall.
Is there a famous monument in your town?
Yes, it's in the town center.
Who likes to visit the monument?
Tourists like to visit it a lot.
Do I see the monument in the center?
Yes, you see it in the center.
Where is the famous monument?
It is in the center of town.
Do tourists go to the park or the monument?
Tourists go to the monument.
Is the monument popular or unknown?
The monument is very popular.
Do you like the famous monument?
Yes, I like the monument a lot.
Is your town very big?
No, it is not very big.
Is it a small or big town?
It is a small town, not big.
Do I live in a huge city?
No, you live in a small town.
Do you like living in a small town?
Yes, I like living here.
Is the town too crowded?
No, it's not crowded at all.
What size is your town?
It is not big, just small.
Can I find peace in your town?
Yes, you can find peace here.
Is it a nice place to live?
Yes, it's a nice place to live.
Do I want to live in your town?
Yes, you want to live here.
Why do you like your town?
Because it's a nice place to live.
Is your town a bad place?
No, it's a good, nice place.
Can people enjoy living in your town?
Yes, people can enjoy living here.
Do you feel happy in your town?
Yes, I feel happy living here.
Is it a terrible or nice place?
It is a very nice place.
Who likes to visit the monument?
Tourists like to visit it.
Do tourists visit the shopping mall?
No, they visit the monument.
Do I visit the monument as a tourist?
Yes, you visit it as a tourist.
What do tourists visit in your town?
They visit the famous monument.
Is the monument boring for tourists?
No, tourists really like it.
Do you see tourists at the monument?
Yes, I see them there often.
Why do tourists go to the monument?
They go because it is famous.